Hello friends, in this video you will learn to invest online in binary options. I'll make this video as easy as possible to make you understand clearly on how to trade binary options from today. So, firstly you need to understand what are binary options. So basically, binary options are a type of options which are traded on the basis of whether the price of an assets will go up or down in selected time period. So firstly you need to select chart type. I will suggest you to select a Heikin-Ashi chart type because it clearly shows us where actually the market is going. So if market is going up, then it will continuously make blue candles, as you can see, and if the market is going down, then it will continuously make red candles, and that will help us to decide in which way to make trade in binary options. So in order to invest online, one more thing, you need to select a time period of this candle in 1 minute. So when you select 1 minute candle time period, then that means this each candle that you are seeing are formed in 1 minute. So this will form in 1 minute, this has formed in 1 minute, and this has formed in 1 minute. So each of these candle have been formed in 1 minute. So firstly, to trade binary options, you need to select a time period. So when you select a 1 minute expiration time, this is 1 minute expiration time, this is 2 minutes, this is 3, 4, 5. So we will select 1 minute expiration time, and you can see the given profit percentage in this 1 minute is 98%. That means if we invest $100 and if we are right in our trade, then we will get a profit of $98 in 1 minute. Similarly, if we invest $100 and we will be wrong in this trade, then we will lose our total investment, that is $100. So firstly select a expiration time, that is 1 minute. Now when we select 1 minute expiration time, we will get a 60-second purchase time and additional 30-second expiration time. Now we need to decide an amount of investment to invest in this trade. So for you can invest anywhere from $1. You can invest $1, $2, $3, $10. So for this trade I am going to invest $100. Now I will need to click on either higher or lower. So I will make this trade by clicking on lower. So as you can see, a red line has been formed here. This is the exact point from where I have made this trade. Now if the price of this asset remains below from this red line when the expiration time is over, then I will get $98 in 1 minute. Profit of $98 in 1 minute. But if the price of this asset remains above from this red line when the expiration time is over, then I will lose my total invested amount, that is $100. So now let's wait for this trade to close automatically and see our result, what happens. Three seconds is expiration time remaining. So as you can see, these assets closed the price above from the place where we have made this trade. As you can see, this is the point from where we have made this trade, and the price of this asset closed above from this red line. That's why we made a loss of $100 because we have clicked on lower. Now we will make another trade of higher. Now you can see a green line at this point, and now if the price of this asset remains above from this green line, then we will get a $98 profit, and if the price of this asset closes below from this line when the expiration time is over, then we will lose our total invested amount, that is $100. Now let's wait and see what happens in this trade, and I will talk about another interesting thing that is related to binary options. So as you can see, a green line was formed when we clicked on higher. So now the price of this asset closed above from this green line. That's why we were able to make a profit of $98 in this trade. So similarly, the the binary option is actually traded in this way. You need to click on higher. Firstly, you need to select expiration time and decide the investment amount here and see the given profit percentage, and then click on higher or lower according to the trend of the market. If it is going up, you can also use various strategies by learning on how to trade binary options with various indicators that are available in this section. So in this video I will not talk about the indicator, but I am just showing you and I am giving you a basic concept on how you can start trading binary options. So basically, to understand properly and clearly binary options, you need to select the expiration time first, decide the investment amount in second, and thirdly you need to click on higher or lower. So I want to talk about another interesting thing, that is called tournament. So you can see there are various tournaments going on right now, and there are various upcoming tournaments in this platform. So I will show you about tournament of this Mad March. So as you can see, the prize pool is now $56,944, and you need to pay a entry fee of $20 to take part in this tournament. Now, as a new trader, I will tell you about tournament in some while. But firstly, if you want to start practicing binary options in demo account of this platform, then you can sign up through the special link that I have provided below, and if you sign up from that link, then you will be able to take part in some of these tournament or some other special tournament for absolutely free. And by taking part in this tournament, you can win real fund and withdraw from this platform without even depositing any money in this platform. So I will show you about this Mad March tournament. If you click on join the tournament, you will get a $10,000 tournament account, and you need to trade binary options with that tournament account fund and keep on increasing that fund. And if you are able to increase the fund and be in the top 30 position, then you will win real fund that you can withdraw from this platform. Let's say you are able to grab a position in this 30 number, then you will be able to win $597.91. Now this tournament is going to finish after 2 days and 13 hours. Now another similar tournament would start when this will be over, and this is a monthly tournament. You can also rebuy that $10,000 tournament account fund by paying $20 rebuy cost. So total number of total number of rebuys is 3050. Total number of participants are 3591, and total prize pool is 56,944. Now this total prize pool money will be divided among all of these top 30 traders. And if you are able to grab a position on, let's say, in this 13 number, then you will win a fund of $2,121.71, which you can withdraw from this platform. So let's see who is in the top of this tournament. So here is someone from Pakistan in first position. In second, it is from Cameroon. In third, from Vietnam. In fourth, it is from Brazil. And in fifth, it is from Malaysia. In sixth, it is from Brazil. So you can also be in this list and win real fund which you can withdraw from this platform. So guys, I hope I was able to make you understand on how to invest online in binary options. And if you still have problem or if you didn't understand, you can watch my other videos and you will learn a lot about trading binary options. And if you have already signed up or you are going to sign up in this IQ option platform, then you will see various video tutorials that will guide you to whatever thing you want to know. You can see videos related to basics of this platform, options trading, CFD trading, technical analysis part, fundamental analysis, market news, about us, and so on. You can also see various articles related to depositing fund, withdrawing fund, tournaments, and about your account, about verification of your account, and so on. If you didn't find anything in here, you can simply click on ask a question and scroll down below and click on here ask a new question, and you will be redirected to chat with the live support of IQ option, and you can ask whatever your problem is and they will help you to solve the problem as soon as possible. As they also reply you within 60 seconds, and they are one of the fastest support that I have seen in online trading. You can also trade various assets like binary options, forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and one more thing, you can also trade cryptocurrencies if it is legal in your country. Basically in my country cryptocurrencies are not legal, so it is not showing here. So if it is legal in your country, then you can trade from here. Now if you want to select any other currency pair to trade binary options, you can simply go to here, click on binary and select any asset, and you can see in 1 minute they provide you a profit of 98%. In all of these asset you will get a 98% profit, but it keeps on changing time to time. So sometime it becomes 65%, sometime it can become 100%, sometime it can become 88%. So it keeps on changing, but that doesn't matter. You simply firstly need to sign up to a demo account. You just click the link that I have provided in the description of this video and put your email address, name, use everything genuine, because if you use fake things to sign up in this platform, then when you want to withdraw the fund, you need to verify you have to do identity verification by providing documents like citizenship, passport, driving license, and if you have entered wrong details, then it will be hard for you to make a withdraw from this platform. So you can also deposit real funds and start trading binary options easily. So but I recommend you to firstly sign up for a practice account and practice trading binary options and see if there is possibility for you to make good amount of profit in this trading or not. And then you can also join free tournaments with a special link that I have provided below, and then only you go with real funds, because online trading is always risky, because as fast as you can gain money in online trading, it would be also fast to lose money. So you need to be aware and trade safely. So I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will bring more interesting videos related to binary options in coming days. And thanks for watching these videos. Bye bye.